Today I will be doing a homemade version of the milkshake that I ordered that they messed up from Five Guys. If you were one guy, you should have got that right, but they messed it up. So I'm gonna make it the right way. In another video, I told you I had made some sweet cream. I froze this, so I'm gonna be using this as my ice cream. But you can use any ice cream that you, well, I ain't say any ice cream, vanilla or caramel, or even if you want to use butter pecan, but I would say take the peanuts out of it. Okay, I got a fork and, cut it up to blocks. So I'm gonna use the milk. I'm gonna use this whipped cream. I'm gonna be using my salted caramel. I forget I had actually got this. I'm gonna use it now. Put some in there. They didn't have all that, but I'm gonna have all that because I can. Let me take this fork. So I don't want to blend it up too much. Like I like this part because you still want it to be like milkshake like. A little bit more can fit in, so I'm gonna put some more whipped cream and put some more of these little chunks. And blend this up. Alright, I blended it again. Some parts got that. Like I said, I'm just going to use a fork because I don't want it too blended. Now, I do have bacon in it. However, I only have like one little piece of bacon, so I can't put as much bacon as I would like. I do have more bacon, but I did feel like making it, so I'm going to make it do what it do. I'm going to take my cup. And I want to rim the cup to it. And my little salted sprinkles. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to take my milkshake. Pour some of it, not all right now. We'll take some caramel drizzle. And go ahead and drizzle it. We'll take some of my little bacon. Take a little bit and put some pieces in here. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna put the rest of my milkshake. Crumble it up with a little bit more bacon. Yes, y'all. Now I'm putting my whipped cream. Just a little bit of sauce on there. I'll put the rest of my bacon. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more of my salted caramel. Yeah, looks divine. Baby, this how it's supposed to look. And then if you see that video, I don't like when they use like cups that you can't see through for milkshakes. I need the whole visual. Make your cups clear, see through. Period. Maybe I need a spoon too, because some milkshakes you need a spoon. The bacon, I taste the saltiness, the bacon, and the sweet. I think this is salt from not just the bacon, but the sprinkles for the salted caramel. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how y'all should have did it, Five Guys. I don't know if it was Five Guys back there, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7. I don't know. This is how you should have did it. You take the saltiness from the bacon, and then the bacon's like extra crisp. Cause I put it was already cooked, but I put it in the oven to get it warm, so it got extra crispier. And it's like it bursts the salt more, and then the salted caramel / sugar on it, and then this is good, y'all. Ice cream, bacon, and caramel goes good together. And Even though it's that one little piece of bacon, by me ripping it in pieces and dispersing it, it works out. This is living, baby. It's pretty and it's delicioso. Make it. Fast food joints. I know your thing is like being in and out in a hurry and trying to get the people by. But the exact same way you have people pull up and wait for their food and get to the next one so they can pull up and do the exact same thing. It's the exact same way you need to pull up with some good recipes and do it the right way. And do, please make this. You like sweet and salty together? You like bacon in your desserts? Make it.